Dr. Carrie German is a manager in our biomedical, energy, and materials division. Thanks for joining us today, Carrie.
Thanks for having me.
So let's start with telling us a little bit about what you do at CFD Research and the kind of projects you work on.
So I have, as you mentioned, the opportunity to manage an incredible group of scientists and engineers in the biomedical and energy division here at CFD Research. And we work in two really different groups, actually. We have the computational side of pharmacology and physiology, as well as the experimental side.
Okay. All right. So how is that balancing both the two different worlds, computational and being in the lab working every day?
It's a bit of a challenge, but my true passion is actually marrying those two things together to see how we can build bigger, better solutions.
Okay. So tell us about what you like best about working in CFD Research.
The people, 100%, from top to bottom. You're working with friends and people who feel like family, so it's very unique.
Okay. So you told us a little bit about the kind of projects you work on and what you like about working at CFD Research. What do you like doing when you're not here at work?
So I am an Oklahoma girl, and we have a lot of
not a sweatshirt.
Yes, but lakes. So we really like taking my family, taking our boat and going to the lake and doing all kinds of water sports and things like that.
And you got 2 boys, right?
Yes, 2 boys. We're trying to teach them to love the water as well. 3-year-old and a 1-year-old.
Okay. All right. So, CFD Research are all about team and building that sense of family. What are some of the events you like best at CFD?
The Christmas party has always been a hit, right? Yeah. But we're starting with the new activities and spreading that across to the spring-summer picnic is really a lot of fun. I like those, I think, because we get to start talking to people outside of our own group and see them in a natural setting.
Yeah, okay. And what about your team? Maybe tell me a little bit more about the team you have working with you.
So we have, I think, around 10 people or so. We have people working on tissue engineering, where we're trying to develop organ-on-chip type of systems and see how we can use those to predict things like health or protective services, things like that. And then on the computational side, we try to see how we can build mathematical models of the body, use bioinformatics to tell information about how exposures or different drugs will affect your body and how your body responds.
Okay. All right. So what were you doing before you joined us here at CFD Research?
So I have a very unique path. I came here straight out of grad school, but before that, I was a teacher. I taught math from 6th grade all the way up to AP Statistics at high school for 6 years before I decided to go back to school.
And you coach basketball too, I think.
I did. I have a state championship ring to prove it.
All right. Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks for joining us today, Carrie. Stay tuned for the next edition of Get in Gear with Samir.